Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today we have some exciting news from Apple's annual developer conference. The tech giant has just unveiled its highly anticipated augmented reality headset called the Vision Pro, marking its entry into a new product category. Let's dive into the details and see what Apple has in store for us. The Vision Pro is Apple's ambitious foray into the augmented reality market, a move that has been compared to the risk the company took when introducing the revolutionary iPhone over a decade ago. Priced at $3,499, it's more than 3 times the cost of Meta's priciest headset, putting it in direct competition with Meta's dominance in the market. Apple emphasized the unique features of the Vision Pro, particularly its augmented reality capabilities and partnerships in the sports and entertainment industries. The headset boasts 12 cameras, a digital crown similar to the Apple Watch for toggling between AR and VR environments, and a powerful new chip called R1, designed to process sensor data in less than the blink of an eye. Unlike Meta's headsets, the Vision Pro stands out with its exterior display that shows the user's eyes to people in the outside world. When fully immersed in a virtual world, the exterior screen goes dark, but when someone approaches the user, both parties can see each other. An impressive augmented reality advancement. While the Vision Pro's announcement generated a lot of buzz, it failed to excite Wall Street, with Apple's stock remaining largely flat in post-market trading. Some analysts believe that while early adopters will eagerly embrace the headset, it may take years for the product to have a significant impact on Apple's overall market. Nevertheless, Apple's entry into the AR headset market brings a fresh perspective compared to Meta's vision of creating a virtual world. Apple aims to anchor users in their existing reality and enhance it with augmented elements. Experts note that this distinction sets Apple's approach apart from Meta's metaverse concept. Alongside the Vision Pro, Apple also introduced other notable products and features at the conference. They unveiled the M2 Ultra chip, the company's most powerful processor to date, which will be incorporated into the Mac Pro and Mac Studio desktop computers. Additionally, a larger 15-inch MacBook Air was introduced, powered by the M2 chip, boasting an impressive 18-hour battery life. Apple also showcased updates to its operating systems, including iOS 17, which brings smart display-like features to the iPhone. The new iOS allows the iPhone to function as a digital clock or digital assistant when placed horizontally. Other enhancements were made to native apps like iMessage, the virtual keyboard, and FaceTime, which now includes a voicemail feature. Apple's commitment to privacy and user control was evident in its collaboration with Adobe, Microsoft, and Unity to bring their apps to the Vision Pro. Disney Plus streaming service will also be available on the headset, along with content from Apple TV Plus. With its innovative features and impressive partnerships, the Vision Pro is set to hit the market early next year in the United States, with availability in more countries in 2024. On the space exploration front, we have a groundbreaking story about the Voyager 2 spacecraft and its recent power boost in deep space. Stick around to find out how NASA engineers are keeping this iconic spacecraft alive and continuing its mission of discovery. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey of the Voyager probes. These spacecraft have been exploring the cosmos since 1977, making them humanity's longest-running space mission. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have surpassed all expectations, venturing beyond the boundaries of our solar system into the vastness of interstellar space. However, as time went on, the power sources of the Voyager probe started to fade. With solar power not being a viable option in deep space, NASA equipped them with radioisotope thermoelectric generators, or RTGs. These nuclear batteries convert the heat from the decay of radioisotope fuel into electricity. But even these remarkable power sources have a limited lifespan. Recognizing the need to extend the mission of the Voyagers, NASA engineers began exploring strategies to conserve power and keep the instruments operational. In 2019, they turned off the heaters for the science instruments, successfully maintaining functionality even in extremely cold conditions. But that wasn't enough. In a groundbreaking move, a NASA team initiated an energy-saving strategy on Voyager 2 that taps into reserve power meant to protect systems from voltage spikes. While this strategy poses some risks, the team believes the chances of such spikes are minimal. If successful, similar voltage management will be implemented on Voyager 1 in the near future. These innovative measures could buy the Voyagers a few extra years of scientific exploration. Suzanne Dodd, the Voyager project manager at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, expressed her amazement at the spacecraft and the engineers behind their operations. She emphasized the value of every piece of data collected by the Voyagers in interstellar space, as they provide humanity's only opportunity to study the charged particles and magnetic fields found there. Now let's talk about the current status of these legendary probes. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have surpassed their 45th birthdays and continue to operate, despite showing signs of age. The telemetry problems encountered by Voyager 1 last year were skillfully addressed by the dedicated team. These cosmic workhorses are still cruising at 35,000 miles per hour into the unknown. Looking ahead, the Voyagers face a challenging reality. In order to extend their lifespans, sacrifices must be made. NASA plans to shut down the science instruments on each spacecraft one by one. Voyager 2 currently has 5 instruments operational, with the magnetometer and plasma wave surveyor expected to be the last to be powered off. Each instrument shutdown will add another year to the Voyager's mission. The significance of the Voyager's mission cannot be overstated. Beyond the heliosphere, the protective bubble of particles and magnetic fields generated by the Sun, lies interstellar space, a realm that continues to surprise scientists. The Voyagers play a crucial role in our understanding of this unexplored territory. They enable us to study solar particles, magnetic phenomena, and other intriguing mysteries. NASA has plans for future missions, like the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, IMAP, which is scheduled to launch in 2025. IMAP will survey the heliosphere and utilize data from the Voyagers to make valuable comparisons. By combining the big picture provided by IMAP with the detailed information from the Voyagers, scientists will gain deeper insights into our cosmic neighborhood. As we celebrate the achievements of the Voyagers, we must also acknowledge their impact on future space exploration. Inspired by their success, engineers are already designing next-generation spacecraft concepts, including those powered by lasers and light sails. The longevity of the Voyagers teaches us the importance of fuel reserves, redundant systems, and knowledge transfer between generations of engineers. The Voyagers continue to inspire us and pave the way for future stellar space missions. In another massive leap into quantum mechanics, physicists have achieved a remarkable feat by teleporting energy across microscopic distances, a phenomenon known as energy teleportation. This achievement challenges conventional physical laws and has its roots in the concept of extracting energy from the vacuum, which was initially considered implausible. However, Masahiro Hata, a theoretical physicist at Tohoku University, proposed a different perspective on this idea. Hata's theory suggested that energy could be unlocked from the vacuum through the use of knowledge obtained from a distant location where energy was invested. This concept is more akin to energy teleportation, rather than the creation of energy out of nothing. Hata's proposal intrigued some researchers, including William Unruh from the University of British Columbia, who collaborated with Hata and found the idea to be a surprising and interesting discovery. In recent years, experimental studies have vindicated Hata's theory. Researchers successfully teleported energy in 2 separate quantum devices, providing strong evidence for the existence of energy teleportation as a genuine quantum phenomenon. The experiments involved exploiting the entanglement of quantum fields and using information obtained from one location to extract energy from the vacuum at another location. The concept of energy teleportation faced initial skepticism, given its association with science fiction and crackpot proposals for perpetual motion machines. However, the research conducted by Hata and his collaborators, including Eduardo Martinez from the University of Waterloo, demonstrated the feasibility of energy teleportation. Their experiments involved manipulating quantum states of atoms through nuclear magnetic resonance and successfully extracting energy from the vacuum. The achievement of energy teleportation opens up new possibilities in quantum information and computing. It also offers potential solutions to challenges faced in the development of quantum technologies, such as keeping qubits cold for reliable quantum computations. The successful realization of energy teleportation further highlights the intriguing and often counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics. The science and technology behind this achievement are truly remarkable. Scientists have long been fascinated by the idea of manipulating matter at the atomic level, but it was only recently that advancements in nanotechnology made it possible to create such precise structures. Nanotechnology involves manipulating materials at the nanoscale, where individual atoms and molecules can be controlled and arranged. In this case, researchers used advanced nanofabrication techniques to engineer the precise arrangement of atoms and create a functional nanoscale machine. They utilized scanning tunneling microscopy, STM, a powerful tool that allows scientists to image and manipulate individual atoms on a surface. By carefully positioning atoms one by one, the researchers constructed a tiny machine with moving parts, demonstrating the ability to engineer matter at the atomic level. This achievement opens up a whole new world of possibilities for nanotechnology and future technological advancements. It could revolutionize fields such as medicine, electronics, and energy storage. Imagine tiny nanomachines that can deliver drugs directly to specific cells in the body, or ultra-efficient nano-sized batteries that can power devices for extended periods. The potential applications are endless, and this breakthrough brings us one step closer to realizing those possibilities. So, if you found this discovery as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Let us know what you found most exciting about these groundbreaking achievements. Stay tuned for more amazing technological advancements.